How to download and install Brave browser. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kid here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can download and install Brave browser. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser. You can either open up Microsoft Edge or open up Chrome browser. And in the search bar, type in Brave browser. Then navigate to the first link on your interface, that is brave.com, from where you could download Brave in your device. Then you have to click on Get Brave. That will install the installation or the installer or the Brave browser installer in your device. You have to click and open up this installer in your device. After that, the Brave browser installation will begin. Once the installation is complete, now you could open up the application and set up in your device, and then you can start using Brave browser. That's it. That's how you can download the Brave browser in your device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.